Hello guys, for today's video, I'll show you how to build a simple finance report with AI without using Excel. For this tutorial, I'll use Claude and make sure the artifact feature is turned on. So, you go here, click your name, go to settings, capabilities, scroll down, find artifacts, and make sure it is toggled on. For this example, I'll have a messy sample finance spreadsheet with a fake data. It includes expenses, categories, dates, budget amounts, and actual spending. So the goal is to turn this messy file into three useful things. So a clean expense summary, a budget versus actual view, a short written summary of numbers. So first, open Claude in your browser and make sure Artifact is enabled. This will allow Claude to build the report visually on the screen. Now, I'll upload my messy sample finance spreadsheet. You click plus, add files or photos, and locate your file. After uploading the file, I'll start with the first prompt. I'll tell Claude to analyze this messy finance spreadsheet and create a clean expense summary. Group the expenses by category and show the total spending for each category and organize it in a clear table. Now, Claude will read the spreadsheet and organize the expenses. This is important because messy finance files can be hard to understand. The AI can clean the data and group similar expenses together so we can quickly see where the money is going. So we can scroll down, open it in Excel, and see the expenses summary building inside Claude's artifact. So the table is much cleaner than the original spreadsheet. Next, I'll create a budget versus actual view. So I'll paste another prompt to Claude saying, using the same spreadsheet, create a budget versus actual report. Compare the budgeted amount and the actual spending for each category. Show the difference and label whether each category is under budget or over budget. Now Claude will compare the planned budget with the real spending. So if the food budget was around $300, but the actual spending was $420, Claude can clearly show that the food is over budget by $120. So Claude is done. So you have just to click the Open in Excel. So the chart you see here is coming from Claude's artifact feature. Claude is not only answering with text, it is building a visual report on the screen. Now, let's ask Claude to write a short summary of the numbers. I'm going to paste another script saying, write a short finance summary based on this report and explain the biggest spending category, which areas are over budget and which areas are under budget. This is useful because a written summary makes a report easier to understand instead of only looking at numbers. We get a clear explanation of what the numbers mean. For example, Claude might say that rent and food were the biggest expenses, transportation was under budget, and subscription were higher than expected. Now, we have a complete finance report without opening Excel. We uploaded a messy spreadsheet, used AI to clean it, and created an expense summary, built a budget versus actual view, and generated a short written explanation. This can be useful for personal budgeting, small businesses tracking, school projects, or monthly finance report. Now, you know how to build a finance report with AI using Claude and the artifacts feature. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful. See you in the next one.